further moving to the solution, we have this term we have. So what we are doing is, this is matrix X is nothing but x, y, z, and adjoint A, this is nothing but the transpose of the cofactors of the element of the matrix, and determinant of A we have got this as 6. So 1 divided by determinant is nothing but 1 divided by 6, and matrix B is here 6 to 1. So further multiplying on first we take the transpose of this. So we have took that transpose, and here we got, and further after multiplying this into this, these two matrices we multiplied, and we got this one, and further we just multiply 1 by 6 to the each and every element, then we got 1 2 3, and x, y, z is equal to 1 2 3, therefore corresponding elements will be equal to corresponding elements are equal. So x equal to 1, y equal to 2, and z equal to 3. We are getting our answers, and here we have completed our determinant chapter and matrix chapter as well. What you need to do is, you have to solve questions on exercise 4.5 you need to complete, and 4.6 you need to complete, and after miscellaneous exercise and examples you go through that. If you have any doubt, you just ask me, and next day or tomorrow we will start the new chapter. So this is for now. And your homework is very important thing, and you have to solve chapter 3 matrices. You have to solve all the exercise questions, and chapter 4 determinants, all in this chapter also, all exercise questions. Follow the NCERT textbook. Thank you.